Welcome to the Accura Pharmaquip Private Limited. I'm Nilesh Fadnis, the Managing Director of the company. At Accura Pharmaquip, we design, develop and manufacture pharmaceutical equipment for the inspection application for solid dosage like tablets, capsules. Accura Pharmaquip is the first Indian company to develop fully automatic tablet and capsule inspection machine. Accura is focused to offer the industry four things. One is we provide high-tech technology, high-tech machines, robust build quality that lasts for very long, cost-effective solution. And the fourth one is value for money. So these four are the pillars of Accura.
So my name is Siddesh. I handle day-to-day operations at Accura. So the way my day goes is I look at different processes, how they are being done. I also see whether the URS, the user requirement specifications that the customer provides us matches the functional and operational specifications of the machine. So we have a range of machines. So this is Brahmi, our star product. It is an automatic tablet capsule inspection machine. It has 8 smart cameras which does a 360-degree inspection of tablets and capsules. It can detect up to 50 micron defects. The best part of this machine is that it has a very compact footprint and minimum format change parts.
Understand what makes people tick, how people would respond. So my role is to oversee the marketing side of the business, the recruitment, where I get to meet people, I get to understand people, their vibes, and think from their point of view, their perspective, what they might like. So when we are marketing, the design language or marketing expressions are in such a way that they appeal to people.
If you make an extremely technical looking screen which is all white or all, let's say, beige and purple, and there's a red, green and yellow, and there is a stop button, and those are very important functionally, but when you make things easy on the eyes, there is lesser strain that you cause on the operator, and you're making more people happy that way. You've designed the screen such that it is easy for you. It makes you not want to stop working. India is currently a global leader in many things. The companies that are out of India are also, they are led by people that are Indians. And I am proud of this thing, that this machine is good. You know why? It's because it's Indian design, because it's Indian engineering. It's like one company can, create a name for its country, and I want to be the face of my nation. I want this company to be the face of my nation.